luxury RVs have evolved far beyond traditional campers, offering incredible features that rival 5-star hotels and high-end homes. In today's video, we're exploring some of the most impressive luxury motorhomes and travel trailers ever built, each packed with innovative technology, premium craftsmanship, and breathtaking interiors. From hidden garages for supercars and rooftop sky lounges to all-electric travel trailers and rugged expedition vehicles, these remarkable creations redefine life on the road. Whether you're passionate about RVs, dream of full-time travel, or simply enjoy discovering extraordinary engineering, this collection is sure to amaze you. Watch until the end to see some of the world's most luxurious RVs and discover what makes each one truly unforgettable. A patented central garage that can carry a luxury sports car is the standout feature that makes this extraordinary motorhome unlike anything else on the road. Designed with premium engineering and exceptional craftsmanship, it offers a spacious interior without sacrificing valuable living space. Built on a high-quality bus chassis with a powerful rear-mounted engine and advanced air suspension, it delivers a smooth and comfortable driving experience over long distances. Inside, the residential-style layout features handcrafted cabinetry, a fully equipped kitchen, a stylish lounge, and a private bedroom finished with premium materials. Advanced off-grid capability comes from a high-capacity lithium battery system, rooftop solar panels, and powerful charging equipment, allowing greater freedom during extended trips. Every unit can also be customized to match the owner's personal preferences, creating a truly unique travel experience. Combining innovative engineering, luxury comfort, and practical design, this remarkable motorhome sets an impressive standard for premium mobile living and adventure. A fully automatic liftable sky lounge is the signature feature that makes this futuristic luxury motorhome unlike any other on the road. Inspired by aviation, luxury yachts, and high-performance automobiles, its bold exterior design creates an unforgettable presence wherever it travels. Inside, the spacious residential-style layout includes an elegant lounge, a premium kitchen, a luxurious master bedroom, and a private bathroom designed for exceptional comfort. A touchscreen central control system allows easy management of key onboard functions, while remote access lets owners monitor the vehicle and adjust lighting or climate settings from outside. Every interior can be customized with premium materials and personalized layouts to reflect individual preferences. Built with outstanding craftsmanship and advanced engineering, this remarkable motorhome combines innovative technology with luxurious living spaces for an extraordinary travel experience. Its striking architecture, intelligent features, and attention to detail have made it one of the world's most iconic ultra-luxury motorhomes, setting a new benchmark for mobile living. Its innovative aerosolar system is the standout feature that makes this luxury travel trailer a leader in all-electric adventure. Designed for quiet, sustainable travel, it continuously charges the battery while driving and camping, extending off-grid capability without relying on fossil fuels. A powerful 17 kWh lithium iron phosphate battery, 3000 watt pure sine inverter, and advanced smart energy management provide reliable power for extended journeys. Inside, the handcrafted aluminum and wood interior offers a spacious lounge, a fully equipped kitchen with an induction cooktop, a luxury bathroom, comfortable sleeping space for up to 4 people, and heated floors for year-round comfort. Modern technology includes Starlink-ready internet connectivity, advanced water filtration, remote system monitoring, and over-the-air software updates. Its lightweight aircraft-inspired aluminum construction also improves towing efficiency while maintaining durability. Combining timeless craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology, this remarkable travel trailer delivers a premium camping experience built for modern explorers who value comfort and independence. Renegade Verona LE is built on a commercial-grade Freightliner M2 chassis, giving this premium Super C motorhome the strength, stability, and confidence needed for long-distance travel. Powered by a Cummins diesel engine paired with an Allison automatic transmission, it delivers dependable performance on every journey. Inside, the spacious residential-style interior features handcrafted cabinetry, solid-surface countertops, luxury seating, a fully equipped kitchen, a private bedroom, and a modern bathroom designed for everyday comfort. Advanced technology includes high-capacity lithium batteries, a central vacuum system, Wi-Fi connectivity with available Starlink support, and a premium entertainment system. Additional features such as aqua-hot hydronic heating, soft-touch padded walls and ceilings, motion-activated storage lighting, keyless entry, and generous exterior storage enhance convenience during extended adventures. Multiple floor plans provide flexibility for different travel styles while maintaining premium craftsmanship throughout. Combining powerful engineering with modern luxury, the Renegade Verona LE is designed to deliver comfort, durability, and unforgettable experiences on every road trip. Built on the renowned Prevost H345 quad-slide chassis, the Marathon Coach 1422 combines world-class engineering with handcrafted luxury for an exceptional motorhome experience. Its spacious Juno floor plan features a center aisle layout and a large rear superbath, creating the comfort of a high-end home while traveling. The bold blackout package adds black wheels and matching exterior accents for a distinctive appearance. Inside, premium leather seating, an L-shaped dinette, elegant tile flooring, handcrafted cabinetry, and an adjustable reclining king bed create a refined living environment. Luxury touches include a liquid crystal privacy glass shower wall, a rain shower, and a 32-inch pop-up television for added convenience. Advanced technology features Starlink RV in-motion connectivity, 4 15,000 BTU roof air conditioners, intelligent coach controls, modern lighting systems, and generous storage throughout. Every detail is carefully designed to deliver outstanding comfort, premium craftsmanship, and unforgettable luxury travel on every adventure. The optional Magic Pack makes the Pebble Flow one of the smartest travel trailers ever created, bringing AI-powered automation to nearly every part of the camping experience. Features like automatic hitching, smartphone remote control, electric motor towing assistance, and one-touch campsite setup simplify travel from start to finish. Built with a lightweight all-aluminum space frame and an aerodynamic body, it improves towing efficiency while maintaining a sleek, modern design. Inside, the bright and functional interior includes a Queen Murphy bed that transforms into a workspace, a convertible dinette, a fully equipped kitchen, and comfortable sleeping space for up to 4 people. Power comes from a 45 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery with optional rooftop solar panels, DC fast charging, and intelligent energy management for extended off-grid adventures. Starlink-ready connectivity, over-the-air software updates, and app-based remote monitoring complete this innovative travel trailer, delivering a smarter, quieter, and more enjoyable way to explore the outdoors. Tiffin Phaeton 40IH is powered by a Cummins L9 450 horsepower diesel engine paired with an Allison 3000 mH 6-speed automatic transmission, delivering smooth and confident performance for long-distance travel. Built on the Powerglide XC raised rail rear engine diesel chassis, it offers excellent stability and durability on every journey. The spacious 4-slide floor plan features a residential bath-and-a-half layout, providing the comfort and convenience of home wherever the road leads. Inside, handcrafted cabinetry, premium furnishings, elegant tile flooring, and a fully equipped kitchen create a refined living space for extended adventures. Modern technology includes advanced entertainment systems, intelligent lighting, efficient climate control, and generous storage throughout the coach. Optional upgrades such as the Pet Perks package and premium interior finishes allow owners to personalize the living space to suit their lifestyle. The Tiffin Phaeton 40IH blends luxury craftsmanship with dependable engineering, delivering an outstanding travel experience designed for comfort, capability, and unforgettable road trips. Renegade XL Luxury Coach is built on a heavy-duty Freightliner Cascadia, Western Star, or Peterbilt chassis, delivering exceptional strength and confidence for long-distance luxury travel. With up to 30,000 pounds of towing capacity and powerful diesel engine options, it is engineered to handle demanding journeys with ease. Inside, handcrafted maple hardwood cabinetry, heated porcelain tile flooring, Cambria quartz countertops, and premium Italian leather seating create an elegant residential atmosphere. Multiple floor plans with up to 4 slide-outs provide generous living space, including a fully equipped kitchen, luxury bathroom, and comfortable sleeping accommodations for extended adventures. Advanced technology features a multiplex control system with Bluetooth app integration, a 360-degree camera system, digital dashboard, Starlink-ready connectivity, lithium battery power, available rooftop solar panels, and 4K smart televisions. Additional comforts include aqua hot hydronic heating, central vacuum, motion-activated storage lighting, and advanced climate control, making every journey more comfortable, convenient, and enjoyable with premium craftsmanship throughout. The Luxe Elite 44FL is built on a heavy-duty 12-inch forged steel powder-coated I-beam chassis, providing the strength and durability needed for full-time luxury living. Designed for all 4 seasons, it features welded aluminum cage walls and advanced thermal insulation for year-round comfort. Nearly 45 feet long with 6 slide-outs, this premium fifth wheel offers an incredibly spacious residential-style interior. The front living room provides comfortable seating and a large entertainment area, while the gourmet kitchen features residential appliances, solid surface countertops, and generous storage. A convenient half bathroom is located mid-coach, while the rear master suite includes a king-size bed, a large wardrobe, and a luxurious full bathroom. Additional highlights include frameless thermopane windows, whisper-quiet heat pump air conditioners, hydraulic auto-leveling, high-capacity holding tanks, and expansive basement storage. Factory direct customization options allow owners to personalize the interior, creating a luxury fifth wheel that combines premium craftsmanship, modern engineering, and exceptional comfort for extended adventures. Cornerstone Series 6 Class A coach is built on the Spartan K3 raised rail chassis and powered by a Cummins X15 605 horsepower turbo diesel engine paired with an Allison 4000 mH 6-speed transmission, delivering outstanding performance for long-distance travel. Inside, spacious residential-style floor plans feature handcrafted hardwood cabinetry, premium leather furnishings, hand-laid porcelain tile flooring, and elegant solid-surface countertops. The gourmet kitchen offers high-end appliances and generous storage, while the master suite includes a king-size bed and a luxurious bathroom designed for maximum comfort. Advanced technology includes the Firefly Vega Touch multiplex control system, a valid digital dashboard, a 360-degree camera system, adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation technology, and advanced navigation. Additional premium amenities include Aqua Hot hydronic heating, Whisper Quiet climate control, powered window shades, a premium entertainment system, and expansive basement storage. Combining exceptional craftsmanship, intelligent safety features, and powerful engineering, the Cornerstone Series 6 delivers a refined luxury motorhome experience built for unforgettable adventures and comfortable living. 4 expandable slide-outs transform the SDX4 pop-out into a remarkably spacious luxury motorhome, creating a residential-style interior that stands out wherever it travels. Built on a robust 26-ton truck platform, it is engineered for comfort, durability, and long-distance adventures. Inside, the living area features a premium leather or fabric sofa, a 43-inch smart TV, a yacht-inspired movable dining table, hidden wireless charging, and LG air conditioning for year-round comfort. The fully equipped kitchen includes Whirlpool induction cooktops, a combination microwave with grill, a large refrigerator with freezer, and generous storage. The master bedroom offers an electrically adjustable bed, a 32-inch smart TV, and additional wireless charging points. Premium technology includes Cabola diesel underfloor heating, a Fisher Panda generator, a Victron Quattro inverter, Garmin touchscreen controls, insulated water tanks, and double-glazed windows. Optional solar panels, lithium batteries, hydraulic leveling, and a 360-degree camera system further enhance this exceptional luxury motorhome for unforgettable journeys. The EarthRoamer LTi is built for extreme adventures, combining luxury living with exceptional off-road capability in one premium expedition vehicle. Constructed on a Ford F550 Lariat 4-wheel drive chassis and powered by a 6.7-litre Powerstroke turbo diesel V8 engine with a 10-speed automatic transmission, it is designed to handle challenging terrain with confidence. Its one-piece carbon fiber camper body provides outstanding strength, durability, and insulation while keeping weight under control. For extended off-grid travel, it features a 12 kWh lithium-ion battery system, 1,300 watts of rooftop solar power, and advanced digital electrical controls without requiring propane or a traditional generator. Inside, the handcrafted interior includes a premium kitchen, full-height bathroom, comfortable sleeping space for up to 4 people, and intelligent storage solutions. Large 43-inch military-grade tires, air ride suspension, King off-road shocks, generous fuel and water capacity, and touchscreen controls complete this remarkable expedition vehicle built for exploring remote destinations in total comfort.